Video I will show how to create Google Tag Manager account and install code into WordPress website. When we come to the Google Tag Manager, we will get this type of interface. For creating account, we will click on create account. From this, we will select our account name. Then we will select our country. Then we will give our container name. Then target platform, we will select our target platform, website, iOS, Android. In this case, we will select website. Then create. We will agree this term and continue. Our Google Tag Manager account is created. This is our code. If we lost our this code, we will click on this. Then we will get again our code. Now we will install our code into WordPress website. For this, we need a plugin. We will go to the WordPress website. We will install a plugin. Add plugin. Then we will search our plugin from here. Google Tag Manager name is Google. This is our plugin. We will get our plugin. We will install this plugin and active. After activate our plugin, we will go to the settings option. After going to the settings option, in last we will get Google Tag Manager. We will click on this. If we go down, we can see Google Tag Manager ID. From here, we can see our code GTM. We will copy this code and enter this code into this box. Then we can see container code on off. We showed on this option. Then after this, we have to on this footer of the page. After doing this, we will click on save changes. It is loading. Now our Google Tag Manager is connected with WordPress. For checking this, we will go to the Google Tag Manager. Checking whether our tag is connected or not, we need a extension. Extension name is Tag Assistant. We will download this extension and connect. After this, we will go to the Tag Manager. We will create on preview option. We will give our website URL here. Then we will click on connect. We can see that our Google Tag Manager is connected. That's all. Thank you for watching. For this type of video, you can subscribe my channel.